Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought a new updates for you regarding faculty recruitment in different colleges of Andhra Pradesh. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now, and watch the video till end. For the first college where faculty recruitment is going on in Bomma Institute of Technology and Science. It is in Andhra Pradesh, Khammam, Andhra Pradesh. For that, there is a walk-in interview going on between 9th of February to 13th of February in the college premises at 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So those who are interested shall go to the college address directly with required document like your resume and other photocopies of other documents. Go directly and attend the interview. There is a vacancy of professor, associate professor and assistant professor in the different departments like computer science, mechanical, civil, ECE, EEE, MBA, maths, physics, chemistry and English. And in pharmacy, the vacancy is for pharmaceutical analysis, chemistry, Zootics, Cology, Cognosy and Pharma D. So it's those who belong to Andhra Pradesh and near to this college must attend the interview because it's walk-in and you have there is no single date of walk-in. It's between 9th February to 13th February. So if you want to go there, then you also can attend because the date is because up to 13 you can attend the interview. The second college where there is faculty recruitment going on in Andhra Pradesh is MLR Institute of Technology, Dundigal Police Station Road, Dundigal, Gandhi, Sama, Medachal. So there is a recruitment for faculty position in computer science, IT, computer science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, ECE, electrical and electronics, then aeronautical, mechanical, MBA, humanity and social science, humanities and sciences. In sciences there is vacancy for chemistry and physics, and next one mathematics and English. There is also vacancy for trainer for various competitive programming and soft skill. There are different requirement for that like qualification. There are different requirement for professor. If you have PhD in relevant engineering discipline with 10 years of experience, then you can also apply for professor position. For associate professor, if you have first class in both MTech and BTech in the same branch and 7 years of teaching experience, then you can apply for associate professor. The PhD candidate will be preferred, but if you have not PhD, then also you can apply for this associate professor. And in assistant professor, if you have both a BTech and MTech, then apply. There is not any experience mentioning here, so if you are any fresher, then also you can apply. Interested applicants have to require one online Google form. It is given. You must take a screenshot of this and open the Google form by this link on or before 15th of February 2021. For further details, you have to visit this college website www.mlrinstitution.ac.in. It's this advertisement came on 8th of February 2021. The third vacancy is in Narasimha Reddy Engineering College. It's also in Medachal district of Andhra Pradesh. This college is accredited by NBA and NAC with a grade. In this college also there is walk-in going on. The walk-in interview is on 13th and 14th of February 2021. The walk-in will be going on various positions like professor, associate professor and assistant professor in different departments like electronics communication, electrical and electronics, mechanical, MBA, English, math, physics, chemistry. For ECE, electrical, electronics, mechanical, MBA, English, math, physics and chemistry. The walk-in is on 13th of February 2021 between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. But for computer science, civil, system administrator, placement officer and aptitude trainer. The walk-in is on 14th of Feb 2021 between 10 am to 4 pm. There is also vacancies for lab assistant, accountant, scholarship clerk, physical director clerk and PA to principal with experience in engineering college. Qualification and experience, it's as per AICTE and JNTUH norms. If you have any industry or retired professor, then you can also apply here. Who cannot attend personally may send your resume to the above email ID. The email ID is given. You take a screenshot and send your resume on this email ID. PhD professor can contact principal directly at this number is given. You can directly contact if you have PhD. This is a third advertisement. Next one is Sassi Institute of Technology and Engineering. It's in West Godavari district, and in this college also there is walk-in going on. The walk-in is from 9th of February to 14th of February 2021. So it's already started, and if you are going to attend the interview, then the timing is given 9 am to 4 pm. In the campus itself you have to go. There is vacancy for associate professor, assistant professor, lecturer, lab assistant, programmer, then fitter, carpenter or mechanic. And third one for junior assistant and record assistant. For associate professor, assistant professor and lecturer, there are vacancies in different departments like civil, computer science, electronics communication, electrical electronics, IT, mechanical, mathematics, chemistry, biotech, biology, environmental sciences and MBA. And for lab assistant, the vacancy is for lab assistant, programmer, fitter and mechanic. The vacancies for departments civil, EC, EEE, mechanical, computer science and engineering and IT, then physics, chemistry and English. The qualification required is BTech, MSc, MCA, diploma, ITI. If you have, then you can apply for this lab assistant or programmer, fitter, etc. And for the associate professor, assistant professor and lecturer, the qualification required is as per AICTE and UGC norms. And for junior assistant and record assistant for administrative department, if you have any degree with computer science, then you can apply here. The address is given. You go to given date on the above mentioned address, Sassi Institute of Technology, Tade Palladi Guddam, West Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh. If you have any queries also, you can mail them on the career@sassi.ac.in. So this is fourth college where walk-in is going on. There are four colleges I have mentioned today about the where the vacancy for faculty is there. If you are interested, then you can apply, and some have walk-in, so you go to the address and attend the interview if you have required this. So if you have liked the videos, please subscribe the channel and share with others who have need this. Thank you.